In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI for business plans. Think of Claude as a 24/7 business consultant that helps you brainstorm, structure, draft, and refine your plan from idea to investor-ready document. We will walk through how to set it up for your context. Use it to validate ideas, build your plan's core sections, and make the most of projects and artifacts to keep everything organized and consistent. Begin by defining your business structure inside the chat. Set a clear system prompt that frames Claude's role, your business idea, your goals, and any constraints or timelines. You don't need to share personal details. Focus on the company concept, the audience you are targeting, and what success looks like. Ask Claude to confirm its understanding and list any assumptions or missing information so you can fill the gaps early. Next, use Claude to generate and validate ideas. Have an active conversation, request fresh angles on your product or service. Ask for potential customer segments, and get it to rank ideas against criteria, like impact and effort. You can also ask it to surface relevant market trends and summarize publicly available insights so you understand the landscape you are entering. The goal is to quickly explore options, then narrow to the most promising path. If you are on a team or pro plan, use projects for context. Create a project, then upload your market research, brand guidelines, early notes, and any competitor analyses. This gives Claude the background it needs to produce a cohesive, on-brand plan that stays consistent across sessions. You can set high-level instructions for tone and formatting so every output aligns with your needs. Now start drafting key sections. Prompt Claude to outline and then draft your executive summary, marketing strategy, and operational plan. Work iteratively, ask for a concise version for investors, then a more detailed version for internal planning. Request refinements to sharpen positioning, clarify your target market, and align the operational plan with realistic timelines and resources. Move on to financials. Have Claude structure your cost categories, forecast revenue models, and map out pricing assumptions. Ask for unit economics, a simple break-even analysis, and a sensitivity view showing how changes in price or volume affect profit. You can request tables or CSV-style outputs to paste into a spreadsheet, then review assumptions carefully. Finally, leverage artifacts to visualize your plan. Use them to build a clean outline, a one-page summary, or a slide-ready structure that you can edit without cluttering the chat. This makes collaboration, revisions, and exporting much smoother. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.